Quick video about the Highland Road bridge construction status. As you can see, down there is the Euclid Creek Park, and I'm just walking up, and you can see the bridges are mostly complete. Looks like it's structurally sound because they're parking trucks on it and heavy equipment. The only thing I think that's missing are like these sidewalks. Looks like they still need to pour concrete down it, but looks like it's all filled in and you can drive on there. But they're just doing the finishing touches. There's no lane markings yet, so that's still gonna take a while. This project was started back in July of 2019, I believe, and it was supposed to be finishing in May of 2020 of this year. By the latest update I've heard, it's anywhere between 15th of November to 30th of November. So by Thanksgiving, you should see this road open up. At least that's the latest update. Thank you very much. If you like this video, if you find this helpful, make sure you push the thumb up button. Thank you. Bye-bye.